Hey, love. Okay, you asked, I am answering. So, one of the new exciting things that I have created for you, my beautiful goddesses, is my self love business in a box. So, someone said, what's a self love business? So, every single business can add a self love component. So, imagine if you are an obstetrician, you're a baby doctor, right? If you're a baby doctor, you can add a self-love component. If you are a hairstylist, you can add a self-love component. If obviously you are a coach, a healer, a spiritual teacher, or otherwise a fitness professional, any kind of empowerment professional, you have an empowerment business, a business that helps people to stand in their power, then obviously that has a self-love component. So here's what's in the self-love business in the box. So there are actually three products. So there's the Self-Love Kickstart, which is just if you need a jump start with some done-for-you workbooks and meditation scripts that work, that really help to transform. And if you are ready to really take things to the next level, then there's the core product, which is the Self-Love Business in a Box. The Self-Love Business in a Box, it has a done for you course. That's right. I am taking the excuses away from you, all of the failure to launch or getting ready to get ready. You can take these and really edit them and work them into your business in the way that you are needing to in order to take everything to the next level. So the Self-Love Business in a Box has a done for you course, a done for you self-love course, 5 modules. It has a done for you ebook. Yes, I am a best-selling and award-winning author, and I have an ebook here for you. It also has workbooks and emails and your own challenge if you are wanting to kickstart things with your audience with a 21-day self-love empowerment challenge. The challenge is here with the workbooks, the emails to send, everything, and so much more. Like, that's just a fraction of what is in the self-love business in a box. And then, in order to help you sell it, I have the Self-Love Business Marketing Kit. All right, so Self-Love Business Kickstart, if you're just wanting a boost, just getting started. Self-Love Business in a Box, if you need everything, your book, their cards, everything. I don't know if the cards are in the marketing kit or in the business in a box. Check it out and you'll see. Type self-love in the comments and you'll see if we're on Instagram. Otherwise, hit me up and I'll send you a link. But there is there's the Self-Love Business Marketing Kit. The Self-Love Business Marketing Kit has a sales page that converts very highly to help people to be able to say yes to your offer, who are aligned with your offer. People who are, if it's a no for them, let them go and find something that's in alignment for them. It has all kinds of marketing tools to help your soulmate clients take a deep dive and a ride with you if it is in alignment. So you'll see all of that. Check out the comparison chart. See what is right for you. I have done it all for you. It's all done. All you got to do is put your stank on it. Put your own personal brand of magic on it. And you are off to the magical races. All right. See you inside.